In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to dark mode in Notion. Whether you're looking to reduce eye strain, save battery life, or you just prefer a darker aesthetic, switching your Notion workspace to dark mode can be incredibly beneficial. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. Starting from your Notion homepage, the first thing you want to do is locate your profile icon, which you'll find nestled in the left top corner of your screen. As you hover over this area, you'll notice a drop-down menu appear. Go ahead and click on it. This drop-down grants you quick access to various essential settings and personal information, making it a primary stop for customizing your Notion experience. Once you've accessed the drop-down menu, direct your attention to the Settings option. Clicking on Settings will launch a new window packed with a variety of options that allow you to tailor your Notion to your precise needs. Inside this window, we're going to look for something called Preferences. With a simple click on Preferences, you'll be taken into a section designed for personalizing the way you interact with the platform. Now, this is where things get exciting. Within the Preferences section, there's an Appearance tab. This tab is indispensable for those of us who love to customize the visual appeal of our workspace. As you click on it, you'll immediately notice your current appearance mode, which, by default, is usually set to light mode. To make the magic happen, you need to click on the appearance mode. Doing so will present you with different theme options, a step closer to achieving that sleek, subdued look. Here, Notion gives you a straightforward choice. Simply select Dark to switch your interface to dark mode. Once you've chosen this option, the app interface should adapt instantly, embracing a darker, more visually soothing theme. And just like that, you've switched Notion to dark mode, enhancing both its functionality and aesthetic. If at any point you decide that you want to revert back to light mode, the process is just as straightforward. Simply follow these steps in reverse. Remember, dark mode isn't just about aesthetics. It's about comfort and efficiency. It reduces eye strain in low-light environments and can help save battery life on devices with OLED or AMOLED screens. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now enjoying a more comfortable Notion experience. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy Notioning!